Welcome to the Real Rides of Real Estate, where we showcase the cool rides owned by those connected in the real estate industry. I'm Beau Beery, and today I'm here with my older brother Sean, who was blessed with the same sexy hairline. Now, Sean co-owns with his wife Brenda Beery Roofing and Redesign, as well as owns a number of real estate rentals in the area. We both share a very unhealthy love of cars that our wives just kind of shake their heads at. Now, while Sean owns a number of gem vehicles, I wanted to focus on his newest arrival. Now, Sean, what real ride do we have behind us today?
So today, Beau, this is a 2018 570S McLaren Spider.
And you gotta tell me what the hell color this is, because it is gorgeous.
So they call it Ventura Orange, and it's got a little flake to it, so it shows different colors like green and yellow depending on how it's angled.
Beautiful. Now the last question. Are you ready to share this baby with the whole world?
Let's do it.
Oh my God! Are you kidding me? Ah! Shut your mouth! Shut your damn mouth! That was so good! Holy sh**! Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?